IFPC Home Insurance Denmark app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Home Insurance Denmark app is designed to make managing your home insurance simple and convenient. Most people assume it's only for checking policy details, but the surprising truth is that it allows you to submit claims, track premiums, access digital IT cards, and contact support directly from your smartphone. Claims management is one of the app's strongest features. You can report damage, upload photos, and follow the progress of your claim in real time. Digital IT cards are instantly available, simplifying proof of coverage for inspections, emergencies, or mortgage requirements. Premium tracking is clear, with reminders and a full history of past payments. The app also lets you update personal details, adjust coverage, and connect with customer service quickly. Additional features like home safety guides and step-by-step claim instructions help prevent issues before they occur. However, there are some downsides. Offline functionality is limited, so most tasks require an internet connection. Uploading large files or accessing older claims can be slow, and advanced tools like coverage optimization are more robust on the desktop portal. In conclusion, the IFPC Home Insurance Denmark app is a practical and user-friendly tool for managing your home coverage. Its main strengths include smooth claims handling, instant digital IT cards, and easy premium tracking. While some advanced features are limited, it provides all the essentials to confidently manage your home insurance from anywhere.